making crinkle cut fries. We are going to use a 12-inch Dutch oven and a 12-inch cast iron skillet. The cast iron skillet will be for frying up the chips. How are they? Tastes like a potato. Since we're not baking, there's a lot more leniency with how many briquettes to use. Come back to that in 20 minutes. Alright. Go back to the shredding. I've got a block of cheddar and a block of pepper jack. I think that's a good combo for nachos. I'll try to knock a few of those seeds out. I like kick, but not that much kick. Don't touch your eyes after doing this. The potatoes, done. I'm trying to beat the daylight. It's getting dark on me. These winter hours are just awful. Okay, gonna give this a little patty pat. Get a little bit of that oil off. I have a teaspoon of cumin, chili powder, and salt, and then a half tablespoon, which is almost a teaspoon, of garlic powder. So I am going to just kind of sprinkle it in amongst my potatoes and give them a nice toss with it. Kind of give them a little kick. Get about half of the potatoes in here. Then we'll layer some cheese. We'll layer some jalapeno. Then we'll layer some more potato. We'll layer some cheese. No, I want the jalapeno under the cheese. I think they'll cook better if they're covered by the cheese. Let's go to the hot coals. I am just going to put heat on this. Kind of disregard any baking instructions I've given you in the past, because this really isn't a bake. It's just a let's cook it and melt that cheese. I did about a third of the briquettes on bottom and 2/3 on top, just kind of eyeballing it. Oh, that's gonna get so hot so fast. Okay. We'll check that in 10 minutes. I am going to make a salsa. Ooh, I hear it. I hear it cooking away in there. I'm gonna go ahead and rotate it. You want to rotate your Dutch oven about every 10 minutes to prevent any scorching or hot spots. But let's take a look and see what we got here. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. So here's how you would remove it. You gotta get these ashes off your lid. You can't really do much with it like that. Finish up my salsa and the rest of my food prep, and then we'll put it all together. Whoa, that smells so good. Some of the garnishes that I'm going to put on here is some Greek yogurt. Let's put some of our homemade salsa on there. Let's do a little extra cilantro. And a little extra green onion. Some avocado chunks. And just spritz the whole thing with lime. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so amazing. I hear turkeys. It's like they're talking to that police car. Are you seeing this? Is it beautiful or what?